So it's my second day here in this wonderful company.
Vy jste Vlade. Ahoj, děkuji, že jsi přišel, Vlade.
I have for tea 1912. This engine has just 2 gears and it's quite hard to stop this car because it's quite heavy and it has immersion.
Today we are everywhere. Once again, the horses have vanished from the streets, surrendering their place to us. Naturally, we cannot help but attract attention, not so much because of our unusual appearance, as because of our scent. You can smell the mystery of us from a mile away. Few people know this city the way we do.
All the most expensive villas is in the square here. Also, residents of the embassies and the ambassador is in this area.
When he was dying, he told his soldiers that they need to use his skin as a skin for a war drum to scare their enemies. Every 100 years, our souls come flocking back here to remember how it all began and to try to put right what we got wrong the last time.
Прадедушка был из офицерской семьи при царизме, сын адмирала Константина. Jasně, něco bylo na začátku. Tam byl určitě kolektiv. Jenom mně přijde, prostě já nemám rád, jakoby já si myslím, že je hrozně jako namyšlený si myslet, že jestli nějaká něco, co stvořil vesmír, to o nás vůbec jako se nezajímá.
You're fucked?
We are fucked. No, you cannot stand there.
Okay.
No problem. You're
No, it's simple.
Ginger Rogers and Fred Astaire.
I'm driving with the speed of 40 kilometers per hour, but it feels like 150. Oh.
This is a key way, and also it was a trade way because Prague in the medieval time it was a trade place between Eastern Europe and Western Europe. It's Arco, Cavallo Arco. This is the place for the literature, intellectual people in the 20th century like Franz Kafka, the famous Jewish writer from Prague. It was one of the favorite places